This guy more here, Santiago just sent me. And I'm going to see what we have. Hopefully I surprised with from Santiago. Just sent me from my new house. Here, what book did I have here? Here it is. This is the best of the best percent food you crave, the low-carb way. That's the front that I've been showing you for, and on the back. And this is from, but thank you, Santiago. And this is the veteran Food Network chef, George Stella. And I just wanted to for all you, this might be for the keto-friendly recipes. And this page that can show you, I'm probably sure you probably see for the unwrapping presents or actually for the unwrapping plastic. There's plenty of pages that will give you for the keto, for the friendly one. Probably really healthier if you want to buy these for the foods you crave. That's be for the low carb ways. George Stella will be teach you for the healthy one. I'm just going to put the link in this book. You can find this for any online that you prefer. It is completely up to you. Thank you very much for the Cookbook Recommended. You can also visit to George Stella's low carb community at stellastyle.com. Get this book online and check out for Food Network. So hope you guys enjoy for the foods you crave the low carb way, that you can buy some for your favorite cookbook requirement. I'm going to put this online for the Stella Style, or you can put it everywhere for eBay, even the Amazon, or Barnes & Nobles. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.